cheap and healthy sources of protein. This is a series of videos that introduce you to cheap and healthy sources of protein. Also, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let us get started. Today's video is about sardines. You don't need to spend a bundle to stock up on protein-rich foods. Take sardines, for example. The small, silvery fish pack 20 grams of protein in a 1/3 cup serving. You can buy them fresh, but canned is cheaper. Look for canned in water or olive oil and rinse off any extra oil. They are easy to prepare. Just sprinkle with lemon juice and olive oil, or top with chopped tomatoes and herbs such as basil or oregano. If you want to learn more about natural antibiotics and herbal remedies, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.